Ubuntu, Rust, and the migration of the GNU utils to the Rust Coreutils. And Canonical released a security update for Ubuntu 26.04 LTS, and they had a security audit and 113 issues were found. Let's take a quick look. The decision is the whole oxidization of Ubuntu, which is rewriting their core infrastructure from GNU utils to the Rust utils. And not only is that a change of software and a rewriting of decades old of tried and tested software and utilities, it is a change of license going from GNU to MIT. Security requirement is that default packages must be promoted to Ubuntu Main. If it's going to go in that release, it must be in Main. And one of the things that requires it, especially before inclusion in LTS, is a thorough security review. Why? You don't want to have security issues. What did they do? They partnered with a top-tier security firm, research one, called Zellic, and they are staffed by renowned world competitive hackers and InfoSec experts and really know what they were doing. Go read up on them. There's been 2 rounds. From December last year to Jan, there was an audit of high priority utilities. And this, of course, is the most security sensitive tools in Coreutils. When it's something about that is security sensitive, what am I talking about? You could think of user management tools, password management tools, things like sudo, things like password, PASSWD. Those type of things are high security sensitive because they are having a lot to do with the permissions of your machine. Round 2, of course, was from Feb to March this year, and that was to audit the remaining utils. And this was with a direct contribution of mitigations. What did they find? They found 113 issues identified across both audits. And these were high priority remaining utilities. And the community responded pretty quickly. They addressed the majority of the issues and resolved before the release. And of course, the findings were coordinated. And I think it's important to call out here, to be fair and balanced. They were upfront and posted this publicly and informed users. They didn't just hide it behind some cloak. Kudos for that. What is Ubuntu 26.04's LTS current status? It's got a couple of hybrid stuff going on now. It's got Rust Coreutils, and it's still also got GNU Coreutils. Essentially what that means is, depending on which utility you're going to use, it might either be the new Rust one or it might be the traditional GNU one. And essentially this started with 2510, and right now the goal is by the time they get to 26.10 to have it all moved over to Rust. Here's a list of the CVE disclosures. You can go read that up. What is the call to action? Essentially, if you come across an unexpected behavioral compatibility issue when you rewrite something from scratch, instead of using decades old tried software, you might run into issues. And yes, you can run into issues on tried software as well. But of course, the whole target is for the next release to be 100% rusty. I guess some folks are going to say, hey, but this shows that Rust isn't perfect. I don't think anyone ever said Rust was perfect and it didn't have security flaws. But I still don't understand the reasoning for migrating these tools to Rust or doing it so quickly and so rushed. Well, it feels rushed. I can understand doing it over a couple of years maybe, but for me, it seems like they really want to get it out the door, but I could be wrong. What do you think? Let me know in the comments. Thanks for watching. Bye for now.